Hello dear children, welcome back to the class. Today we will see construction of tangents to a circle. Right? You know about tangents, right? We have to construct those tangents to a circle from given external point. Alright? There is a circle. For this circle there will be a center, right? Now an external point will be given to you. Let me name this external point as P. It can be anything. And center is like O, right? Now from this point you are supposed to draw the tangents. Now it's not like you have to directly draw the tangents. There is a method for that. We will follow that method and we will try to draw these tangents, pair of tangents. Actually it is pair of tangents. You can write it as pair of tangents also. No problem. To the circle from external point, whatever it is given. I hope it is clear. Now look at this question. We will start this with a question. What is this? Draw a pair of tangents. You have to draw a pair of tangents to a circle of a radius 6 cm. What is the radius of the circle? This radius, whatever this radius is, either this one or this one, this is 6 cm. Alright? From an external point at a distance of 10 cm from center of the circle. From the center of the circle, this distance is like, distance of this point is like 10. For example, this is 6 now up to this point and it is 4. Like that it is 10. So you have to draw this. You have to construct this, not draw this. I mean construct. You have to construct. You understand the meaning of construct now? You have to be using all your compass, maybe protractor and scale and pencil. You have to construct that. Let us see this, how it can be done here, children. It's very simple. Let us take this compass. You got a compass, right? So first of all, what you are supposed to draw? You are supposed to draw a circle of radius 6 cm, right? So I have to just measure 6 cm here. You have got the scale, right? From 0 to 6 you have to measure. Randomly I am taking here. So you have to measure how many centimeter here, children? 6 centimeters you are supposed to measure. Alright, 6 centimeter you have to measure from your compass. And you have to take one point here, no? Yes or no? For you guys, that point will be fixed with the help of small hole. For me, it will be troublesome if I miss out the circle. That's why I am using this center here. From this how much centimeter it is? Look at this. Circle of radius 6 centimeter. No? So by keeping the needle here, what you are going to draw? You are supposed to draw a circle of 6 centimeter. Draw it, dear children. Do it with me. Okay, I am going to use both the hands. You have to use only one hand. Okay, as you know, the methods of constructions and all. Alright, dear children, now this will be the circle. I am going to draw it with multiple tries. Alright, so here I have got one circle. Alright, dear children, so this circle I have got. Alright, so if you want to name it, you can name it, otherwise it's your wish. So this is like O. And what is the radius of the circle? The radius of the circle is 6 cm. Alright, fine, dear children. Now, what I am supposed to draw? I am supposed to draw tangents from an external point at a distance of 10 cm from center of the circle. 10 cm from center of circle means you understand? From center of this circle, from the center of the circle you have to keep this 0 point here. You have to keep the 0 point here. Now till here it is 6 cm. No? So for example, if you are taking here up to here it is 6 cm, then 7, 8, 9, 10. Some point comes here now. So this is like 10 cm. Alright, so let me name this point as P or A, whatever you want to name, you can name. Alright, so this is like OP is like 10 cm. Alright, dear children, I am going to join it. I am going to join this. Alright, dear children, now this is like external point. From this point, you are supposed to draw the tangent to this circle. Now you cannot draw directly like this. No, that is not allowed because you are supposed to do the construction, no? Okay, how to do that construction? Let's see that. Okay, alright. Now, whatever this line I have got, right? So we have to bisect this. This OP is like 10 cm, no? Now it is like in between 5. You are not supposed to keep the point there. Yes or no? So you know how to bisect this line. Do you know how to bisect? More than half you are supposed to take, right? So this is like almost like this is half. And more than half means this much you are supposed to take. Alright? So this is like more than half. No, dear children, look at this. Yes or no? So this is the complete thing. More than half means it comes here nearly. Yes or no? Because it is a 6 mean, I mean it is a 6, no? This 10 means it comes somewhere here. So more than half you are supposed to take this. Whatever it is, this is 10 cm, more than half. Whatever line it is, you have to take more than half. Nearly, approximately. Then you are supposed to draw one arc here. You know about this, no? Already in 9th standard and 8th standard you must have learned this. So you have to draw an arc here. And similarly, you are supposed to draw an arc here also. You know how to bisect a line. Okay, so you have to draw an arc. Similarly, you should not change this. Whatever it is there, you have to keep at this point O. Then again you are supposed to draw an arc here. Okay, they are not meeting now, we'll make them meet, don't worry. So from this point I am supposed to draw an arc here. So here also I am supposed to draw one arc. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, alright. Then afterwards I am going to just meet them up. So look at this. They are meeting now. Now I have got 2 points there. Is it clear, dear children? I have got 2 points here now. One point is here, another point is here. Then I am going to join them by using a scale. Now it is like approximately half. I don't know exactly or not, but approximately it is something like half. Alright, dear children. Now after that, what you are supposed to do? You are supposed to make this point as the center now. Whatever point I have got now, you have to make that as center, and by making that as center and this one as radius up to this point O. Up to this point O, you have to make this as radius. Then you are supposed to draw one circle here. Look at this. By making this point wherever they are meeting, that center of this line, you are supposed to draw one circle like this. Look at this. Now this circle I will draw. Until then you can also draw that. Alright, dear children. So here, see, it is meeting here now. So you are supposed to draw one circle like this. Give me some time so that I can just draw it. Okay. Now over. Construction is over now. Now you are getting 2 points here. Look at this, dear children. You have got 2 points here. Here is 1 point, and here I have got one more point. That's it. So this is like A, and this is like B. A and B. Now you have to join this from P to A by using a scale. That's it. From P to A, you have to join. So this is one tangent, and again from P to B you have to join. This is one more tangent. I hope you got it, whatever I have said. Roughly I will show you one more time. So whatever PA and PB you got, so those PA and PB, whatever they are there, they are called pair of tangents. Pair of tangents there. Okay. What is the length of those tangents? You can measure them with your scale and you can write those values. So PA is equal to PB is equal to whatever you get. And mathematically, with algebraic method also you can do that. Easily you can do that. Alright, dear children. Yes, I hope it is clear. Construction is clear now. So what is this? Just look at this. Construct a pair of tangents with circle of radius 6 cm. So that means circle you have to draw. So circle means here I am taking one circle graph diagram. Yes or no? So here is the center, and what is the length of this radius? 6 cm. Now you have to draw a pair of tangents from an external point at a distance of 10 cm from center of the circle. So this is like I have to take this point and let me call it as P. Alright, so this OP is like 10 cm. You know about that. Then you have to bisect this OP. How to bisect? You know about this. Take more than half of this and just cut one arc, and here also, and from here also cut one arc here. Then you get point and you join this, and from this point you keep your needle here. Then by making, let me call this point as A, or you can call it as C, anything you want. X also you can call. And from this point XO as a radius, you have to draw one more circle like this. So wherever they are meeting here now. Then you have to draw this PA and PB. So then I am going to have PA and PB are the tangents. Understood, dear children? Yes, this is how you are supposed to do. Now look at this. So if you are joining this O and P, O and A, now this is like 90 degrees. You can measure to check whether your construction is clear or not. Because always this radius is perpendicular to the tangent or not. Just to check, okay? I am just drawing them as dotted line just to check. You can keep your protractor. You have the protractor, right? Like this, you will be having the protractor, and you can keep it there. You can just check. Alright, this angle. PAO, it has to be 90 degrees. You can keep it here. You can keep the protractor here, and you can just check. Look at this. This is almost coming to be 90 degrees. Look at this. This is 90 degrees now. That means construction is clear. Alright, dear children. And from the same point O to B also, if you want to check this PBO, you can check this. This is also 90 degrees. Then your construction is clear. Alright, dear children, just to check whether this is correct or not, you have to measure this angle, and definitely that will be the justification, and that is a correct answer. I hope everybody is understanding what I am trying to tell, okay? I have given you the rough diagram also, and with the help of compass and the scale and this protractor also I have explained you. This is how you are supposed to draw the tangents. There is one more question on this, that here there should be some angle like 60 degrees and all. So those kind of questions are also there. That will be handled in the next class. Try to learn it slowly. Try to get questions on this so that it becomes easy for you. Now look at this diagram. Now one simple thing I just want to tell you. how MCQ, this kind of MCQ is very much fixed on this circle chapter. So on construction also there can be some questions asked. So look at this. Now this is a circle, right? This is a circle and this is the external point here and this is the center. Now if I draw any tangent like this after construction only, and this is O and this is P, this is A and this is B. If you join OA and OB, now if this angle is given as 60 degree, this angle will be 120 degree. Now this is the major question which they will be asking in your exams, MCQ. This is 90 degree and this is 90 degree. So this is a quadrilateral. Now look at this, APBO, APBO. It is a quadrilateral, means all together it is 360 degree, no? It is 90 means 180, and these together have to be 180, means if it is 60, this has to be 120. If it is x, this has to be 180 minus x. And they make some variation, like they may give this as x and this they may give it as y, and they will give you option A, B, C, D. So what are those options? They are like x plus y is equal to 90 degree, x plus y is equal to 180 degree, then x minus y is equal to 180 degree, then x is equal to 180 degree plus y. They will give some options like this. What is the correct option for this? X plus y is equal to 180 degree is the correct answer, no? Because here 90 and 90 are there, so these have to be 180 together. So this is the question from circles, but in construction also this kind of question can be framed by saying all these things. Yes, all right, dear children. So these are the things which you should be knowing. And how else question can be framed? They will give you all explanation of this, and they will say that here is the point A and point B. They are meeting, so now they will ask you to find out the value of PA. Yes, or you can do that also. No? So for example, this is a circle. Here is the external point and here is the center. Now this is like, for example, let us take it as 10 centimeter. OP itself is 10 centimeter. We took it as OP as 10 centimeter and external point is 10 centimeter, and it was 6 centimeter. It was 6 centimeter. Now they will ask you, what is this PA? They will ask you. Now how about this? This is 90 degree. No? Now look at this. This is 90 degree, means it is hypotenuse. Then I am going to have 10 square is equal to 6 square plus PA square. Can I have like that? 10 square is equal to 6 square plus PA square, Pythagoras theorem. Then by using this, 100 is equal to 36 plus PA square. Then I am going to have PA square is equal to 100 minus 36. Then I am going to have 64. PA square is 64. Then PA is equal to square root of 64 and 8. Already you know all these questions. Okay, there is no need of me saying you all these questions, but still I am just making you aware of all these things. Already for 10th standard we are running the fabulous revision batch. Already 2 chapters are over. We started it from July 1st, and on July 2nd today we have a practice on another 2 chapters. July 3rd another 2 chapters, like that it will keep on going. Alright, dear children, many of you have already come there into the app, and most of you are not attending, as I feel. So you have to attend these classes and this construction. You get this right first, construction, then MCQ. End of the session. End of the session means end of this 2-3 videos. After doing these 3-4 videos, I will be giving you all MCQs. At least 15 to 20 MCQs will come from construction, so that you feel comfortable and you feel confident. Is it clear, dear children? Okay, fine then. So you learned about the construction of tangents. You have learned in the first video about the division of line in the given ratio. That also you have learned, and how the questions can be framed. That also you know. And in the next video, third video, I will be coming with some more concepts and some more MCQs, some more things which can be helpful for you in your board exams. Okay, alright, dear children. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye bye.